Hello guys, welcome back to Next Peep. It's been a while. So on today's video, I want to show you guys the best trading bots that makes absolutely all the trade, okay? No more red. So this particular trading shows you that you can trade a forex even when you have no knowledge about forex trading. And the good thing is it is absolutely free. I'm going to be giving it out for free to all my subscribers. Everybody have to make money from this particular trading bot. Okay, so let's dive in. I'll show you guys how to install it. It's different from the old ones, but I'll show you guys how to install it on this particular video, so don't skip any part of this particular video. You can see this is our history this week. You can see our history is blue and there is no red. So this trading bot, I want to show you guys how it works before we can install it. So right now this trading bot is called Skyper, and the major functions of this particular trading is to target when the market is bullish and to start Skyping. Okay, now how to install the trading bot. Once you download the trading bot from our Telegram channel, you're going to be having the name Skyper right here. So all you're going to do is to make sure you have an MT5. Okay, mind you that this trading bot only works on MT5. Okay, so now once you have an MT5, you have to copy the trading bot from where you saved it. You can just click on copy right here. So now we're going to go to our MT5 and click on file. Okay, once you click on file, you open your data folder. So once you open your data folder, you're going to be having your MySQL 5 right here. So you open that. So once you open that, you open the expert. So now this is the magic right here. You have to create on new folder right here. You name it. You can give it a name. You can give it a name like XR. Okay, the main function of this is to hide the trading bot from the MT5. Okay, so that you'll be able to execute the trade very well. Okay, so you make sure you hide it on a folder. Good. So now once you have your trading bot right here, you can close this. Okay, so once you close that, what you're going to do right here is to make sure to refresh. You can click your left click and refresh using your mouse. You can use left click and refresh. Okay, depending on your mouse, you can use your right click for options and refresh. So now you're going to be having your, if you scroll down right here, okay, so now once you scroll down, you're going to be having your XR. Okay, your XR folder. So if you open the XR folder, you'll be seeing your scalper trade. So now we're going to be opening BTC USD to test run the trading bot. Okay, so this is your BTC USD. Make sure you have it on 15 minutes time frame. So you're going to be dragging the Skyper to it. So these are two options. Is either to drag and drop or to double click. Okay, so double click and you're going to be having this. Okay, so make sure you select allow angle trading. This is auto trading, and the inputs you can leave it as default. Now click on OK. So now the trading bot is working. So what we're going to be doing here is to make sure you turn on the angle trade. Okay, so you can see right here our trade just picked. Okay, so if you go to trade, you'll be seeing that the trading just executed. So you're going to give it a while for us to be on profit. Okay, so now this is the best trading bot right here, and you can share it and you can use it on different systems, and it's unlimited. And this particular trading bot is absolutely free. Okay, so don't sell it to anyone. It's absolutely free, and it works very well. Okay, so don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more updates from our Telegram channel, And if you have any issue, you can drop it on the comment section. We will reply you instantly.